Alright, hey everyone! So I'm getting started with my 3-in-1. I'm just going to start priming my eyes with this Too Faced concealer, Born This Way, in the color Chestnut. And I'm using this to prime my eyes, and I am not going to set it. I think everybody does this now. I'm just blending that out seamlessly, trying to make sure that there's no creases in there before we go in with our shadow. Alright, so I'm going to my Juvia's Place palette. I forgot what this palette is called, but I'll put it in the description box down below. But I'm taking a crease brush and just focusing that burgundy color right into my crease. And afterwards, I'm blending out the edges with a peach transition color. This is the reverse method. If you guys watch my videos, you know this is the only way I do my eyeshadow. So I'm pretty much just going to cut the crease and put a shimmer shadow on. I didn't really get into detail with my eyeshadow because it's just a 3-in-1. It's not a tutorial. So I'm getting started on my face. I'm going to start by priming it with Professional. That's the only primer I've ever used. So just patting into my face just to fill in those pores. That's like the best way to apply Professional, is to press it into your face and not really to rub it, because I think that's like how it activates better. Alright, so I'm about to get started with some foundation, and I'm using my regular Kat Von D foundation in D78. And yep, this is the foundation I use on a regular basis. I'm just going to blend that in. It's a full coverage foundation. You obviously don't have to use full coverage every day, but I like full coverage. I just like how it looks. Alright, so I'm going to start with my concealer, and I'm using that same concealer I used to prime my eyes with in Chestnut, and I'm going to put that directly under my eyes. I'm using kind of a generous amount. I'm not even sure why, because this concealer is pretty full coverage, but under both of my eyes. I'm also going to go down the bridge of my nose and make an exclamation mark. I will also put some on my forehead, underneath my nose in a smiley face, and some on my chin. So I'm going to take my black opal stick, and I'm going to use this to contour my face. So I'm just going to put it in the hollows of my cheeks and my forehead, and then also on my nose. Right, so I'm just blending that out. I start by blending my chin and my forehead, and then I go right into my under eyes just to make sure that it sets the longest. Alright, so once I blend that all out, I'm going to go right into setting my face with my Topaz powder, the luxury powder that I fucking love so much. So yeah, I'm just going to set under my eyes, everywhere that I put concealer basically, just to make sure there's no creases and that it's flawless. Right, so here I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush on. Not even a little bit, I put on a lot because I fucking love blush. So I pack this shit on until my face is completely red. And then I did my highlight and lips and everything pretty much off camera. And yeah, I skipped my hair, but I just straightened it because it was just a little funky looking. But yeah, I'm about to show you guys my outfit now. So I wore this red dress today that I got from Forever 21. It's just off the shoulder red dress. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you all next time.